Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to be learning Part C third program. Let us see what is the Part C third program. Write a menu driven program to create a text file. B. Append the content of a text file to another existing file by accepting file names. C. Display the content of the entered file name. And D. Exit. Okay, so we have to create one menu driven program. First, if you press option 1, it has to create a file. Option 2, append the content. Appending means adding the content of one text file to another text file by accepting the file names. Okay, and C is displaying the content of entered file name. So C has to display the content and D is for exit. Okay, so also here the question is suggesting create two text files during the execution of the program, display their contents, perform appending, display the contents again, always check for the existence of the input file. So this is the question. Okay, for this let us see, we have defined the header files and we are starting from the main functions. Now we have declared file pointer. So file is the structure of the file, it is a keyword. Star fp1 is the file pointer variable 1 and star fp2 is the file pointer variable. Okay, so we have defined two file pointer variables, that is fp1 and star fp2. Next we are defining the variable character variable ch. File name of 100, it is a character array variable. File name 1 of 100, it is a character array variable. File name 2 of 100, so it is also character array variable, that means a string. Okay, here normal character variable ch and file name of 100, file name 1 of 100, file name 2 of 100, it is a string variables we have defined. And next we are defining the variables of int n comma option is equal to 1. Okay, here the integer variable n and option variable as a defined. And next we are specifying the clear screen function. Now we are writing the do while loop statement. So in the do, I am starting printf function, it will display as it is 1 to create a file. If you press the 1, it will create the file. If you press the 2, append the content of the file. Okay, and if you press printf 3, display the content of a file. Printf, enter your choice. So according to the above statements, it has been displayed 1 to create the file, 2 to append the content of a file, 3 to display the content of a file. So to pick up our choice, we have to write enter your choice. It will display enter your choice. Now we have to provide our choice. To provide our choice, we have to read the value from the keyboard. To read the value from the keyboard, we are using the scanf function. Suppose if I enter the 1 is to create a file, right? So for creating the file, I am using the switch case statement. In the switch case, if I choose it as a 1, case 1 will be matches. Case 1 is we are going to be creating the file. Okay, so first I am writing the printf statement, enter file name to open for writing. Writing means to store. So we have to open the file name. So whatever the name of the file you are giving, you are storing in the file name 1. Okay, yes. For example, suppose if I give it as a, if I provide it as a abc.doc. What is the name of a file? abc.doc. I am giving from the keyboard and it is stored in a with the name of file name 1. Okay, afterwards fp1. What is fp1? File pointer variable. I am using the method fopen function. In the fopen function, it is a file name 1. What is the name of a file name 1? It is abc.doc. This file will be opened in which mode I am opening? It is opening in the write mode. Okay, this file will be opened in the mode of write. fp1 is equal to fopen of file name 1 comma w. W stands for write. Okay, next we are writing the printf statement, enter the data into the first file. So I have opened this abc.doc file in write mode. Write mode means we have to store. For that I am writing one output statement, enter the data into the file. To store the data we are using while statement. In the while you are writing ch is equal to getchar. So getchar means you can enter the number of a character until unless you press enter, right? Okay, so it will access the number of characters here until unless, how long it will be accessed? Until unless you press the q. Okay, for example, if I enter smcbca, afterwards if I press the q, it will quit. Okay, till that it will access. Okay, so now I have entered SMC BCA. So putc function, what is the purpose of a putc function? Whatever the character you have read through from the keyboard, it will be placed in the opened file. Which file you have opened? fp1. fp1 means automatically you have opened abc.doc. In the abc.doc it will store SMC space BCA. Okay, SMC space BCA will store, SMC space BCA will store in FP1. Okay, afterwards we are closing the opened file. So abc.doc file is opened, you will close. So that is break. After the break, control will come to your while statement, while option equal to 1. Before that, here it will come press 1 to continue. If you press the 1 to continue, if you press 1 to continue, then we have to give the option as 1. Then it will check the condition option equal to 1. If option equal to 1, once again the menu will be displayed. Menu will be displayed as to create a file, to append the content of a file, to display the file. Now I am taking choice 2. So now we have to enter our choice. Our choice is 2. For choice 2 we have to append, right? To append that we have to write case 2. To append the content of a file at the end of a specified file, we are writing the case 2. Now printf function, enter the file name to open for appending. So now we have to enter the file name. Okay, here I am using, the name of the file is bbc.doc. What is the name of the file? bbc.doc. Okay, so I am giving from the keyboard, it will be stored in the file name. Enter the second file name from copy the content. Here fp1, fp2, file number, yes, correct. And here I am opening the second file from copy of the content, where we have stored our content in SMC BCA. SMC BCA content is stored in abc.doc. So we have to open that file, right? So to open that file, we have to supposed to give the name of the file to open the open to copy the content. So that is abc.doc. Okay, yes. Next, please observe here fp1 is equal to fopen. We are using the function fopening function. File name, what is the name of the file name? That is bbc.doc. bbc.doc file is opened in the mode of append. It is opened in the mode of append. Okay, and fp2 is equal to fopen of file name 1. File name is abc.doc, that is opened in the mode of read. Reading means to access. Okay, next what you are doing here, while ch is equal to get c of fp2. So ch is equal to get c means you are accessing fp2. What is the fp2? abc.doc. In the abc.doc, what is the content? That is smc space bca. So you are accessing the character by character until unless it reaches to the end of the file. Until unless it reaches the end of the file. Okay, after accessing that, where you are placing the character in fp1. fp1 means this is your bbc.doc file. In the bbc.doc file, you are putting character by character at the end of the content. At the end of the content, if it exists. Okay, you are placing one character by character at the end of the content and your story. Okay, that is the purpose of this loop. Afterwards, you are closing the fp1. fp1 means you are closing the bbc.doc file, and you are closing fp2 means you are closing the abc.doc file. Okay, next break means it will come out of a switch case loop. After coming out of a switch case loop, here once again one of output statement is exist. Press 1 to continue. So if you give the option as 1, it will be repeat once again, and the menu will be displayed once again. The menu you have to press 3. If you press the 3, it will display the content of the file. So if I press the choice as a 3, now switch case 3 will be matched. Okay, printf enter the file name to be displayed. If you press the file name 1, the file name 1 is your file name 1 is abc.doc file. It will display the abc.doc file. Or if you press the bbc.doc file, it will display the bbc.doc file. Okay, so it will display the content of the file. Before that, you have to open the file name in the read mode option. In the read mode option, and also check whether the file is open or not. So if it is open or not, to test whether it is open or not, you are writing this logic. If fp1 equal to none, If it is null, file does not exist, so immediately it will exist. Okay, so this is to identify whether the file is open or not. If it is open, it will skip this statement and this statement will be executed. While ch means character variable, get c, it is accessing fp1, whatever the file you are opening, it is accessing character by character until unless it becomes an end of a file and it displays the character. Where it displays the character on your screen, not in a file, it is a display on your screen. Okay, how long it will be displayed? Until unless the character become end of the file. Okay, so that means it will display smc bca. Okay, clear? So afterwards you are closing the fp1, whatever the file you have opened you are closing. Afterwards it is giving as a break. Okay, so default, in the default, if you press other than 1 2 3, it is showing as invalid choice. It is showing as invalid choice, it will exit directly from your program. So next, once again it will ask for the press 1 to continue. If you want to further continue, you can continue by pressing the option 1, otherwise you can give it as a 0. If you give it as a 0 0 equal to 1, the control doesn't continue with the do statement. Okay, so for example, if you want to understand here, you just observe the output. Here enter your choice, enter the file name we are opening, defined here it is a pk.doc. Enter the data into the first file. I have entered smc bca q. So how long it will be accessed? Until unless you press the q. So next it is asking for press 1 to continue. I have pressed 1. Once again the menu is displaying and it is asking for enter your choice. I am entering one more file to create, kk.doc, and I have stored Shirgo file 4116. So until unless q. Once again it will show the menu, and if you press the continue 1, it will show the menu and you are choosing the choice pk.doc, whatever the content is present it will display it. And if you press the 1 and enter your choice as a 3, your kk.doc consists of this content. And once again you are pressing the 1 to continue, you have to press the 1, and now you are taking the 2 choice. After taking the choice 2, it is asking for name of the file for appending. I am opening the pk.doc. So in the pk.doc it consists of smc bca. At the end it has to be add the opened file content. Here enter the second file from copy of the content, kk.doc file. In the kk.doc file it consists of Sirva 574116. The content has to be copied and it has to be added at the end of a pk.doc. And next it will ask for a press 1 to continue. If you press the 1, and it will show the menu. Once again you are going to be taking the choice as 3. If you click the pk.doc, it will show the appended content also within the pk.doc. Okay, so that is your third program. Let us see the execution of this program. I will show the execution of the program. Okay, yes, let us see part C, third program. So this is our part C, third program. File, save as. I am storing in my drive turbo c3 bin pc3.c. Save it. pc3.c. Yes, press it. Okay, now open our editor. Let me open my editor. Let us compile and run. Before that, let me check once again. Yes, Alt F9, Control F9. So I am pressing 1 to create a file abc.doc. and we have to enter the data smc space dca Sherwa, and I'm pressing Q. Yes, I'm pressing 1 to continue, and I'm pressing 1 once again. Now bbc.doc. Now enter the file Udupi district 574116, and now quit. Yes, press 1 to continue. I'm choosing the option 3, abc.doc. So this is the content, and enter your choice, bbc.doc. So here it is the content. I'm pressing 1 to continue, and I'm now choosing the option 2, enter the file name. For opening, I'm opening abc.doc, and enter the second file, copy. So that is bbc.doc. Now press 1 to continue. Let me choose the option 3, file name is abc.doc. So if you observe in the smcbc Sherwa abc.doc, it has appended Udupi district 574116. I'm pressing once again, and I'm choosing the option 3. Let us enter the file name to display, bbc.doc. So in the bbc.doc, it is also consist of only Udupi district 574116. So that's it. So this is the end of our program. So if you have any doubts, please ask us. Okay, hope you understand this logic. This is a very important program. We will continue in the next class. See you.